We are actually at a crossroads sa history. Ang dami nang nagsabi niya na crossroads, crossroads this, crossroads that. Pero ito po, totoo tayong nasa crossroads. Kailangan matuloy ang eleksyon. Kailangan masunod ang will of the people.
Of course!
Yes,
At
dapat.
kung ano man ang mangyari dyan, kung totoo yung eleksyon, at least nakapag-decide na yung Pilipino kung saan direksyon tayo pupunta, what kind of democracy or what kind of government we will really have. Pero kapag yung eleksyon na yan ay either na subvert or nadaya na naman, it will really lead us down this same path, spiraling downwards na hindi na tayo makakabawan. We are at the crossroads of history. Dapat matuloy ang impeachment, dapat yan. Hindi yan dapat ma-dismiss without trial. Dapat yan dinggin para makita ng taong bayan kung gaano kawalang kwenta yung mga sinabi ni Madriaga.
Correct.
Kung gaano kawalang basis yung mga sinabi ng AMLA. While the whole nation is riveted dito sa nangyayari na to, they should be equally riveted dun sa 18 Marines or 18 soldiers na affidavit and the BRC.
May iba naman tayo, Attorney Jimmy. Let me just take this opportunity po to congratulate you for being a brand new father. So how does it feel po? And how do you balance fatherhood with a high-profile case and a busy life? Busy legal practice.
It's actually a kryptonite eh. Sa totoo lang, kryptonite siya, partner eh. Kasi
In what sense?
when I'm at home and smelling the breath of my baby,
Oh.
it removes all desire in me
Oh, that's...
to go out and engage in what I feel are petty battles compared to
yeah.
being with her, no?
Actually, correct. But kaya ka, ano nga eh, pero ang irony dyan, kaya ka nga nagkaroon ng baby because of desire.
Tama naman. And there's nothing wrong with that desire, no? Pero ang akin kasi is, what reminds me to go back out there is the future of my baby din.
Yeah.
No? Dahil
Tama
talagang parang we are actually at a crossroads sa history. Ang dami nang nagsabi niya na crossroads, crossroads this, crossroads that. Pero ito po, totoo tayong nasa crossroads. Kailangan matuloy ang eleksyon. Kailangan masunod ang will of the people.
Of course!
Yes,
At
dapat.
kung ano man ang mangyari dyan, kung totoo yung eleksyon, at least nakapag-decide na yung Pilipino kung saan direksyon tayo pupunta, what kind of democracy or what kind of government we will really have. Pero kapag yung eleksyon na yan ay either na subvert or nadaya na naman, it will really lead us down this same path, spiraling downwards na hindi na tayo makakabawan. We are at the crossroads of history.
Bumalik na naman sa politics din, ano?
Hindi, that's why na-relate ko siya dahil isipin mo, in a few years kapag naglalakad na yung baby ko, may bago ng presidente.
Oo nga, no? Oh, 2 years, ano?
Yeah, kasi right now she's 6 months, so she's beginning to crawl. By the time she's walking and talking, it's either we have a president who is the choice of the people or not.
Oo nga, yun
Or
ang
not.
mabigat, oo. And alam mo, ang daming questions ni Ina eh, mahiyain lang pa ito eh.
Okay.
About fatherhood or having a baby.
Yeah.
Tanong mo na, huwag ka na mahiya.
So let me be the one to ask
Ayan.
this question, Attorney Jimmy.
Okay.
So as both a lawyer and a songwriter, if you had to put this case into a song, what song would it be?
Itong kaso na to,
Yes, this whole case.
meron akong kanta yung I Believe eh.
Ay,
I
okay.
Believe. Kinakanta ko
Sige.
yun sa kampanya nun
Sample
eh.
naman dyan.
Pero hindi, wag na natin kantahin.
Ay, wag na natin.
Hindi ba?
Sige, sige.
Hindi, maraming I believe eh.
Oo.
Ito may I believe for every drop of rain that falls in the earth.
Ay,
Oh,
okay,
I believe
Ito
I can
yung-
fly.
This is the I Believe sa isang Korean movie, may sassy girl, no? Yung I believe na ikaw lang at ako. Yan yung ending niya na
Pero bakit gano'n? Nagtagalog sila, Korean.
ano siya, tinranslate for the movie.
okay. Buting maliwanag kasi nagulat ako eh.
Pero ang tema kasi no na parang ikaw lang at ako ang magsasabi ng I love you. Yun yung last nun eh. No?
Ayun.
And it
naman
talks
pala.
about people who are parang against the world na lang, you and me against the world. Tayo na lang ang nagmamahalan. And that is sometimes how I feel about the Duterte supporters, no? Parang feeling ko, outside of this, wala na talagang magmamahal sa atin. Kahit mga relatives, galit na. Kahit simbahan, galit na. Mga eskwela na minahal mo, hindi ka na mahal. Yung ganun na ngayon. Pero tayo na lang ang nagsasabi na I love you. Tayo na lang ang nagsasabi na Sarah will save this government.
Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon yung love life niya. How are you po and your wife? I heard your wife is also a good lawyer.
Yeah, si Isabel, I met her in school, tapos doon na talaga yan na-develop,
Wow.
no? Actually, ang kwento niyan, I went into law school from a very bad breakup.
Okay.
So, kasi parang feeling ko yun akala ko papakasalan ko na, and then it all went wrong during the campaign of 2015 to 2016.
Okay.
Kasi nga parang political, tapos magulo. She wasn't anti, pero talagang kumbaga, it's not for me.
So, hindi
So-
siya nag-antay.
Hindi siya nag-antay.
Hindi siya nagantay.
Ngayon, so I just went into law school, just single but not ready to mingle.
Ay.
Ayun, tapos I met her and then she was at that time the oldest na. Pero batang-bata pa rin, no? But the oldest among everyone. Kasi I was like 40 or something and then siya yung like almost 30. So kami na yung pinaka nag-jive.
Oo.
Ayun, tapos fast forward to today, we have now this beautiful child. But a big note is, this is the first time I've talked about them. Kasi I just really want to insulate them from this horrible, horrible world
Correct.
that is
Naman.
politics. I want to give I don't want to give anyone any reason to include them in their discourse about me.
That would be fine for now, partner Jimmy, but eventually, parang ako, I'm 60, so I have a grown-up son
Yes, si Jay.
who, pumasa na rin sa bar.
Wow.
Congrats.
Dream come true yan sa...
2025, ano?
Wow.
Kapag yung mga kids mo have become grown-up, ano bang pangarap mo sa kanila? Would you want them to follow in your footsteps? Siyempre, pareho kayong lawyers. Parang kaming mag-asawa. We are both lawyers.
Yeah.
So my wife is a judge now. And kaya nag-follow sa footsteps ni namin,
Yeah.
si Jay. How about you? Is that the plan that you have? I mean, hindi naman plan yung pangarap, your dream, your aspiration.
Yung family culture namin, no, I'm remembering tuloy my dad now, no, who passed away noong 2018. But our family culture has always been, be what you're meant to be, no? Ganyan ng daddy ko, ganyan ng mami ko. My mom is healthy and alive and kicking.
Your dad was a lawyer? O hindi?
No, but he had the tendencies to. He was an Ateneo graduate. He wanted to take up law, but they were not very rich, no?
That when Ateneo was Ateneo.
Yes,
Oo,
yes, yung
and
talagang
not a cesspool of highly
Hindi
politicized people.
Well, I don't want to be completely disowned by them, no? But my dad was an excellent man. Tapos, ang family culture namin is, just be who you are meant to be. That said, if I had my way, I would wish for a more peaceful life for my kids. Kasi talagang, etong pinasok ko na to is really not by design. It was a calling that I begrudgingly accepted. I still begrudgingly accept. Tapos, if there's a way out of this, I truly mean this. Look into my eyes so that you know I mean it. If there is a way out of this, na that is good for the nation, that is good for our compatriots. Halimbawa, if there were a way to exit this life and to earn elsewhere a modest, livelihood, I would take it.
May suggestion ako.
Oh.
Pag naging senador ka, you cannot practice your profession. So that's a way out of it. And
Well-
your life will be very modest. Ang liit ng sweldo ng senador eh.
Yeah, actually, it was, I was put on record for saying that my dream, I was in law school. My dream was to become the poorest senator in the history of the Senate.
Well, kung talagang wala kang maleta, hindi mahirap
Hindi,
gawin yan.
oo.
Oh, hindi mahirap
tama,
gawin yun.
tama.
And meron akong mga pet legislation na talagang gusto kong ipasa eh. Pero, I'm learning very harshly na getting into the Senate is hard and then operating in the Senate is harder.
Ay, nako.
So,
Sinabi mo.
so who knows what God has in store for me. Talagang I take it with an open heart. Pero as for my kids, I really wish for them a more peaceful life talaga. yung what I used to be, yung hinahanap mo lang talaga yung the calling of the day. Like before, the calling of the day was to create a song or to make people smile in a show. That was the calling of the day, no? Ngayon, it's like, it's an incessant, unrelenting battle
Sa
of...
bagay, kaya maybe mas masarap nga naman yung matinee idol ka na talagang nagtitilian yung mga kolehyala pag nakikita ka. Ay, si Jimmy
Well,
Bonto!
those were the perks. But the internal satisfaction was knowing that you were in the right place at doing the right thing at the right time. Ngayon, I'm filled with trepidation and doubt all the time na parang dapat pa ba itong ipaglaban o let's just leave it to the mercenaries, you know? But I don't want to. I don't want to leave it to the mercenaries. So, we live to fight another day, di ba?
Actually, pareho kayo ni Attorney Ferdy.
I know.
Kasi pareho po kayong both lawyer and a songwriter. Singer. Magaling na singer.
I've heard him sing and I've seen how happy he is doing it.
Kaya nga.
No?
Pag-passion mo talaga.
So, sino ba naman ang hindi gugustuhin yun na lang?
Yes, of course.
Di ba? But then again, there are callings na parang, di ba, kung minsan sabihin mo, Attorney Ferds, ayoko na sa politika. Tapos biglang someone does something so heinous, so illegal, so unconstitutional na parang, sira ulo to ah. Kailangan ko labanan to. So, that is my day. No, that is his life siguro. And he has done it for a longer time.
Ay nako, you have no idea how long. 33 years.
33 years
Oo,
now.
I've done.
Trying to change the world.
Well, one case at a time.
One case at a
Mahirap
time.
din kasi sabi nga nila, how do you eat an elephant? One
Yeah.
bite at a time.
One bite at a time.
Oh, pero
Do you
along
cook it
the way,
first?
along the way, you make so many enemies.
Yeah.
Yun. Pero,
Yeah.
you know, I've always lived by, and I think you should memorize this, yung mantra, so to
Sige
speak.
nga, sige nga.
Sige nga, sample.
Ni former Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher.
Okay.
It's a poem, actually, freestyle poem.
Please.
Ito yung favorite niya. Lagi lang sinasabi sa sarili niya to when she is facing doubts. You have no enemies, you say. Alas, my friend, the boast is poor. He who has mingled in the fray of duty that the brave endure must have made foes. If you have none, poor is the work that you have done. You've hit no traitor on the hip. You've dashed no cup from perjured lips. You have not turned the wrong to right. You've been a coward in the fight.
Grabe.
Ta-translate ko. Kung wala kang kaaway, wala kang kwenta. Tama ba?
Mismo,
Tama,
mismo.
tama.
Kasi short talk eh. Hindi small talk.
Oh,
Short
short
talk.
talk. Oh, tama
But you know
naman.
what? I am reminded of this, at the peak of Oprah Winfrey's career, yung manager niya sinabi that if I have not fought at least once today to fight for Oprah, I have not done my job.
Yan.
Kasi, you know, when you're in the middle of things, may aaway talaga sa'yo. Kasi people are always trying to take something away from you, you know? Laging may masamang tao eh. So sabi nung manager nga ni Oprah na kailangan may makaaway ako. Otherwise, ibig sabihin, hindi ko kinonfront yung mga enemies ni Oprah, di ba? So kung wala kang kaaway, wala kang kwenta.
Yan. Oo. May question ka tungkol dyan sa mga kaaway-kaaway, di ba?
Kaaway.
Oo. Di ba, sabi mo, how does it feel? Di ba? Na magkaroon ng powerful enemies.
Yeah.
Oh, have you had powerful enemies?
Yeah. I've lost a lot of friends po because of my political stance.
Yeah, tapos nadaanan nyo na rin po siguro yung the twisting of your words.
Yeah.
Di ba? Di ba? Now, can you imagine twisting of your words on a grand scale, on an unrelenting schedule? But I'm guided by certain biblical passages na kung minsan sa akin na lang, pero nandito na rin lang tayo sa
Please.
SMNI.
I'm sure it would do the souls of our listeners and our viewers good for them to know kung ano yung
Oo,
mga passages sa Biblia na iyong kinakatigan.
Una, Luke 23:24 yata, no? Na-memorize ko pag madali lang eh. Kunyari Luke 23:24 na Father, forgive them for they know not what they do, no? So, yun ang una kong preset na ganyan lang yan kasi hindi niya naiintindihan ang ginagawa niya. And then, forgive me too if I know not what I do. Yun naman ang dinadagdag ko. Pangalawa, dyan, 1836. Mas madali, 1836. My kingdom is not of this world. Ibig sabihin, if you're still shocked kung bakit may masasamang tao who twist your words and fight for worthless things, then you haven't lived long enough to know na hindi nga dito yung kingdom ng Panginoon eh. Hindi dito bagong Jerusalem, hindi dito eh. So may masasamang tao, may mag-take advantage sa'yo, and democracy is something that you will fight for every day. Sinabi yan ni Ronald Reagan. Sabi niya, araw-araw ko pinaglalaban ng democracy and anytime pwede raw matalo. Of course, hindi siya nagtatagalog partner na. Tinagalog ko lang. Hindi naman siya marunong magtagalog eh.
Parang si Tito Soto, di ba? Hindi doon niya pinagerize dahil tinagalog niya.
Pero believe din ako sa kanya, wala pang chat GPT yun, nagawa niya mag-plagiarize. Ha? Ang hirap na. No, but allegedly.
And then, tinuturo yun eh, sa One Ball University. Yun ang major niya.
Peace po tayo, former SP. Ha? Wala, I have no beef with you.
Pork lang.
Pork lang. Sabi ko na eh.
Hindi niya papakawalan eh.
Ikaw, Ina, may ambition ka ba mag-abogado?
Actually, pinag-iisipan ko po. I'm still considering it.
What's stopping you?
I have a question.
Yeah, sige.
Ano pong advice niyo sa mga kabataang Pilipino na gustong i-pursue yung passion nila sa pagiging abogado?
Oh, why not? You know, I've always, actually, you know what I wish? I wish the Department of Education would really change its syllabus and include the study of the Constitution at a young age, because I remember being smart enough in high school to understand this, but it was not taught. And I think in college level, I think they should teach taxation. I think they should teach local government, at least yung... I mean, we don't even know in college why may mga probinsya, pero kami sa NCR, ba't wala kaming probinsya? Parang, kasi no one teaches you the division, tapos yung regions, bakit may regions? Tapos may probinsya. You're not taught na administrative yan, ito, political and territorial subdivision. I think there are certain basics na dapat tinuturo. Kasi bakit sa Amerika, ang mga high school, alam nila ang Bill of Rights.
Oh, may social studies.
May social studies. And it's because they've had a more beleaguered history of, there was slavery, there are racial fights there. Dito wala masyadong racial. So they have to be more aware of their civil and political rights. Dito kasi spoiled na spoiled yung mga nasa NCR, tapos yung mga nasa probinsya naman, mas may alam. Alam nila ang Bill of Rights, alam nila ang structure ng government, ang kapangyarihan ng governor, ang difference ng municipality sa city. Why not teach this? Why not, no? Why not? So, to your question, while the syllabus has not been changed, go and study the law. If you don't want to take the bar, don't take the bar.
Oh, wala namang pilitan yan eh.
Wala namang pilitan. But just learn it because it is a master key to everything. To starting corporations and partnerships and associations, to maybe gusto mong maghiwalay, at least alam mo na yung gagawin mo pag gusto mo na maghiwalay.
Bakit naman hiwalay?
Hindi. And at least to know your remedies kapag merong biglang letter of authority sa iyo sa BIR, biglang, you won't panic as much, right?
Yes.
Anyway, fearless forecast. Attorney Jimmy, anong tingin mong mangyayari sa impeachment trial?
Well, the way it looks, they will never get the 16 that they need, which is 2/3 of the Senate. But that does not mean that that's a good thing, because they will probably, the minority and other interested groups will probably drag it out para talagang pababain ng numero ni Ma'am Sara, no? And there's always the possibility that malay mo makakuha sila ng 16. So, you never know these days, right? That said, ang gusto ko lang, kung tumutuloy ang impeachment, tumuloy din sana ang Blue Ribbon para patas.
Ayun,
No? Kasi let's face it, this is all about accountability. So yung mga nananawagan ng accountability through impeachment would be hypocrites if they do not want to pursue the BRC, the Blue Ribbon Committee, and to hear the testimonies ng 18 soldiers, kasi lahat yan tungkol sa accountability.
Correct.
Kasi ano man ang kulay ninyo, lahat po tayo hinahabol natin. Saan ba napunta yung pera natin? Whether it's 125 million or 1.5 trillion for a successive period of 3 years. So, 4.5. Dapat matuloy ang impeachment, dapat yan. Hindi yan dapat ma-dismiss without trial. Dapat yan dinggin para makita ng taong bayan kung gaano kawalang kwenta yung mga sinabi ni Madriaga.
Correct.
Kung gaano kawalang basis yung mga sinabi ng AMLA. But again, I'm prejudging, so it's up to you. Bahala kayong makinig dyan. Pero at the same time, while the whole nation is riveted dito sa nangyayari na to, they should be equally riveted dun sa 18 Marines or 18 soldiers na affidavit and the BRC.
Ang daming tanong ni Ina kanina sa BRC eh. Ha? Ikaw na mag-follow up dun sa BRC.
Sa Blue
Yung
Ribbon. What do you want to know about
Oo.
the Blue Ribbon? Well, it's headed by Pia Cayetano.
Ayan.
May I just reverse question lang, isa lang partner. What do you think is the reason why Senator Marcoleta did not or was not chosen for the position?
Hindi actually.
Reverse
siguro naman-
reverse interview.
Siguro naman hindi na masamang sabihin. Remember, pinuntahan ko kayo noon.
Yes.
Right after the lockdown was lifted, di ba? Nag-lunch tayo. At sinabi na ni Senator Marcoleta, ayaw niya. Siguro para wala na lang yung criticisms na kaya gusto niyong maging majority ulit, pinalitan niyo yung leadership para ibalik si Marcoleta.
Tsaka baka maging personal yung
Oo,
Lacson Marcoleta.
Eh, personal na nga eh. I don't think it's never going to be not personal. So si Pia would be a good middle ground. Abogado rin.
Yeah.
Diba? Medyo cool lang ang kanyang demeanor.
Yes.
At sabi naman ni Marcoleta, I will still be a member. Nandun pa rin naman siya.
Correct.
So I believe that Pia, your good friend Pia is a good choice.
Yeah, so thank you for guesting sa Small Talk. Thank you, Ina, for... Ikaw naman, when do you plan to get married?
Oh my God. Career muna, Attorney
Kala ko,
Jimmy.
when do you plan to take up law eh?
No, but-
Ba't naging marriage?
Going back to her question, do you have plans of taking up
Yeah,
law?
I'm still considering
Okay.
it, Attorney.
So, ang lagi kong sinasabi dun sa mga gustong mag-law is you better make sure you leave your pride at the door.
Ay, nako.
Yun talaga, di ba? Kasi lalo na at you're not young as in you're not like a fresh grad, di ba? You after graduating, ano bang plano mo? Are you fresh grad or
Soon.
soon? Okay. So after that, you feel like tapos na ako eh.
She's running for Latin honors, by the way.
Wow. So yun, no? So you have that resume. Pero pagdating doon, it's worth nothing to the professors.
Right?
In the same way that they don't care if you're a singer or if you've been you took up LM or you took up Polisai or you were valedictorian, they don't care. They don't care. So brace yourself. That said, wag mo lang personalin, di ba?
Yes po.
So I
part
think
of
the kids would benefit from that advice na just leave your pride at the door.
And thank you so much, Attorney Jimmy. It's been fun. It's been a pleasure and it's been very educational.
Yeah.
And with those words of wisdom, kung mamarapatin ni Attorney Jimmy, ay hihingan natin siya ng huling mensahe para sa ating mga taga-subaybay.
Una sa lahat, congratulations sa Small Talk at sa SMNI for coming up again with a brilliant concept for the education of the public. Alam nyo, I am reminded of this sharing ng isang pare na kaibigan namin, ng aking older brother. Sinabi niya that the object of communication is communion. So that's so beautiful to me, ha? Kasi when the object of communication is adversarial, na to make someone look bad or to put down a political rival, then communication becomes useless. No? And I have been criticized for not being tough enough. And the problem is I'm not concerned about who am I. I'm more concerned about whose am I, no? Kasi I don't care about who I am in the eyes of the public. I worry more about whose I am, no? Whose values I fight for, whose kingdom I fight for, no? So I don't mind finishing last either. No? Wala sa akin kasi yun eh. Ang sa akin is, if I communicate with you, for example, don't we share, partner, sometimes those glorious moments of communion that nag-usap tayo and then we come upon a value so deep and so life-changing na, hey, I think I grew from that conversation. And that is what I wish for this show, for this network, and for the entire public discourse, no? For our communion and our communication to end up in communion.
Diyan nagtatapos ang isa na namang makabuluhang kwentuhan dito sa Small Talk. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Marami tayong napag-usapan ngayon, pero hindi doon nagtatapos ang kwentuhan natin. Tandaan ninyo, ang mga malalaking pagbabago, nagsisimula lang yan sa mga simpleng usapan na tulad dito.
Make sure to like, follow, and share our pages para laging kasama sa loop. Once again, I am Ina Sampang and you're not.
I'm Ferdy Topacio and she's not. Tandaan, no topic is too small when the conversation is real.
This is Small Talk. See you next episode.
Bye-bye.